Oh, hey there, coders. My name is Kelly, co-founder and CEO of Blue Studios. I'm so glad you're tuning into a Blue Studios class today. Make sure that before you begin that you create a free account on the Scratch website, which you can find by going to scratch.mit.edu. All right, let's do it together. Okay. First, go to your browser on a computer and type in scratch.mit.edu. All right? And then select Join Scratch right here. I want you to pick a cool username and password. When you create this free account, you can not only follow along with your instructor, but you can also create, save, and share your projects as well. All right? So let me create my account. Now that we've created an account, let's go ahead and open up a new project. All right? So what you want to do is go to Create. And whenever you open up a new project, you'll see that there are these tons of blocks on the left-hand side. Each block represents different coding instructions. You can drag blocks onto the script area for your coding projects. There are blocks for motion, sounds, looks, controls, events, and even more. Now, what exactly do these blocks control? These blocks control objects called sprites. The default sprite on any Scratch project is the Scratch cat right here. But you can add tons of other sprites by checking out the sprite library, as well as cool backgrounds and everything else from the library. You can also upload your own images to create custom backgrounds and sprites. Pretty cool, right? All right, that's enough housekeeping for now. Before we jump right in, let's talk about what is coding. Now let me tell you, computers aren't as smart as you think they are. They actually need to be programmed or told what to do. Computer programs write instructions or programs that allow computers to do the things that they do for us every single day. Programming is just another word for coding. Coding, also known as telling computers what to do, helps us in our everyday lives. Cell phones to call our friends or take selfies. Tablets to visit our favorite websites like www.bluestudios.io, desktops to print out our homework, and we live with code every single day. Streetlights, cars, watches, power grids, elevators, household appliances, and much more. Did you know that depending on who you ask, there are over 200 different coding languages? I know, that's so crazy, right? But the main reason why there are so many different coding languages is that they're different tools, and we choose different tools for different jobs. Scratch is a great tool to learn how to code because you can learn how to program interactive media, stories, games, animation with people from all over the world. I love doing Scratch projects about graphic design, fashion, and even my own family. I use Scratch coding to make my own animations too. Coding languages change and evolve every day, okay? But if you really take the time to understand the foundations of coding that you'll take in this class today, it'll be much easier for you to master future coding languages. All right, let's do it right now. Let's jump right into this lesson. I cannot wait to see what you create. See you on the stream.
Hey everyone, welcome to Blue Studios.
Hi, my name is Siobhan. I'm a Kid Coder's Blue Studios.
And I'm Natasha, Kid Coder Siobhan's mom. So tell us, what are you going to teach us how to code today?
The soccer challenge!
So fun! Well, I know I'm super excited to learn how to code this soccer challenge. So let's go ahead and roll right in.
So you want to press create in the corner to get started. It depends on your internet speed how fast the load loads. Our internet was really fast!
It was! Woohoo!
And today we're going to be keeping Scratch Cat.
Yay for Scratch Cat!
So before we get a backdrop, we want to make sure we have all of our sprites.
Okay.
So we want to press choose a sprite. Then we want to search soccer and grab the soccer ball.
Woohoo!
Because it is a soccer challenge after all.
That is
and
true.
then we want to press choose a sprite again and search parrot.
Oh, fun!
So it's a cat versus a parrot. And then we want to put our mouse pointer on choose a sprite and choose paint.
Okay.
And then we want to go to square and change the color to white.
Okay.
So we have a white rectangle, and this
Okay.
will make sense why we have it when we get the background. And one more sprite, we have to search a button,
Okay.
and this will be where the ball starts.
Got it.
Then we want to go to backdrops
Okay.
and search soccer. Then we want to
Ooh.
get soccer 2.
Nice.
So
Look at that
then
soccer field.
This is our goal.
Nice.
And then we want to make sure everything is sized out. This is good, but the parrot is huge.
The parrot is huge.
So what we want to do is we want to delete 100 and change it to 60 or whatever size you want it to be.
Nice. That's a good sized parrot.
Mm-hmm. So, now let's get to the important part.
Woohoo! Is that the coding part?
Yeah.
Nice.
So first we want to do the soccer ball, the most important sprite in the code. Then we want to go to events and press the green flag clicked. And then we want to go to motion and get a go to random position and change it to button 5.
Ah.
So what this will do is it'll make sure it starts on the X.
Okay, now I have a question. Is there a way to get the soccer ball in front of the X?
Yes. So we want to go to looks. Then we want to scroll down and get a go to front layer.
Nice.
And then it'll be in front.
There we go.
Mhm. And then we want to go to controls and get a forever.
Okay.
So whatever we put inside of this will keep on going and going and going until you add the stop all.
Nice.
So then we want to add 3 if-thens and go to motions
Okay.
and get an if on edge bounce by scrolling down and a move 10 steps.
Okay.
So what this will do is move 10 steps and if on edge it will bounce.
Nice.
And then we want to go to sensing to get 3 touching mouse pointers and put them in the diamonds.
Okay.
If-thens. The first one will be sprite 1, which is the cat. The second one will be sprite 2, which is the goal. And the third one will be parrot.
Okay.
So for cat, we want to go to motions and get a point towards mouse pointer and change that to sprite 1.
Okay.
And then we want to turn left 180 degrees.
Okay.
And then we want to move 10 steps. So what this will do is it'll make sure it looks like the cat is kicking it. So it puts all the pressure on the soccer ball.
How cool is that?
Mm-hmm. And then we want to do for the goal. So we first want to go to variables, press make a variable, and type in score. And you don't have to actually spell it score. You can actually make it whatever you want the score to be called.
There you go.
So then you want to drag it till you run it into the screen. I want it right there. And then we want to get a change my variable by 1.
Okay.
And then we want to change that to score.
Okay.
So, and then we want to go to controls and get a wait 1 second.
Okay.
And then we want to go to motions and get a go to start. So what this will do is when it touches the goal, it'll wait 1 second.
Okay.
And then there is a goalie that kicks it, an invisible goalie that kicks it all the way back to start.
Nice.
And then the parrot is actually very similar to the cat, except this is parrot.
Okay.
So we want to get a point towards parrot, turn left 180 degrees, 180, and then move 10 steps so the parrot can kick the ball too.
Nice.
So this is all the code for the ball.
Okay.
And then we want to go to the cat. And before we do the code, let's rename it cat by deleting sprite 1 and naming it cat. So then we want to go to events and get a green flag clicked. And go to controls and get forever. And then go to motions and get a go to mouse pointer. So this will make the the cat, follow the mouse pointer.
Okay.
So go to mouse pointer. Ta-da!
Nice. Oh, you scored one.
Yay!
Awesome.
And also now we have to code the parrot.
Okay.
So we need to go to events and get a green flag clicked. And then we want to go to controls and get a forever. Then we want to go to motion to get a point towards ball.
Okay.
Ball, 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 ball. There we go. And then we want to get a move 10 steps and change that to 2. 2.
Okay.
Now the parrot
Ooh.
chases after the ball.
Very cool.
So we want to add 2 more things to the cat and 1 more thing to the parrot.
Okay.
So on the cat we need 2 more green flag clicks.
Okay.
Then we need to go to variables and make a variable called time.
Okay.
Because just like in a real soccer game, there's always a time.
Yep.
So then we want to get it set my variable to 0 and change that time and change 0 to 30. So you have 30 seconds to complete this.
Nice.
Get as much points as you can. Then we want to go to controls and get a repeat 10 and change 10 to 30 or whatever time you have. And then we want to get a wait 1 second. And then we want to get a change my variable by 1, change my variable to time, and change 1 to -1.
Nice.
So the time will go down by 1. But when it hits 0, a handy thing is that under a repeat, it acts like an if-then, whatever's under there. So stop all. So when it hits 0, it will stop all.
Awesome.
So you have to make sure this is the exact same number, because if you have it lower, it'll go like to -1 or -2.
Okay.
Until it. So make sure it's the exact same number. And now it doesn't actually look like the cat is running. So what we want to do is we want to scroll up in events. Controls and get it forever. And then we want to go to motion to get a next costume. Then we want to go back to controls and get a wait 1 second and change that to 0.2.
Nice.
So now this makes it look like the cat
now
is
it looks
running.
like he's running.
Then we want to do the same thing to the parrot. It looks like it's just...
Yep. Like looks like
Gliding.
it's just gliding along.
So we wanted to make it flat because it has 2 costumes to make it flat. So we want to go to events and get a green flag clicked. Then we want to go get to a forever. And then we want to get a wait 1 second and change that to 0.2. And then go to looks and get a next costume. Let's see how I can get my score. Go,
Nice.
Go, go.
Oh, let's see.
Go, 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 go. Ah, come on. I can do it.
There we go. Woohoo. Oh my goodness.
Go, go, go.
Okay, come on.
Let's go, 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 go.
How high can we go? How high can we go? Oh, that parrot. That parrot's being a good defender, huh? Oh my goodness.
Yes, it's good.
Oh my goodness, 7, woohoo! Now I have a question. Is there a way, if they don't want the parrot to turn upside down, is there a way to fix
So
that?
we want to go to directions and turn to the arrow. So this will make it not go upside down.
Okay.
So this is all I have for today's code.
Awesome. Do you want to show them how it doesn't go upside down after you press that?
Sure.
Okay. See, and there you go. How awesome is that?
I think it's an amazing code. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Wait!
What?
The score stays at 9.
Oh, see? And that's the thing. If something's not working quite the way you think it should, the answer is always right there in the code. And Siobhan here is going to show us how we reset the score to 0.
So just like the time, we have to get a set variable to 0 and change my variable to score. So now every time we press the green flag clicked, it will change to 0.
Awesome.
Come on, cat, you can do it, Scratch Cat.
Woohoo!
This parrot is
Okay,
being a good defender.
let's test the green flag click to make sure it goes back to 0.
It does! It
Awesome!
works!
Did you guys have fun coding along with us?
I know, I did.
Awesome! And so now you get to play your own soccer challenge game. That's so fun. And don't forget, we want to see what you've been coding along with us here at Blue Studios, so send your codes our way. And don't forget to tag us on social media. Who knows, we may feature you on one of our social media pages.
And I'll favorite your project for you.
Woohoo! So I think that's all we have for you guys today. So until we see you at our next episode, we look forward to seeing you then. Bye!